Stop paying for AI courses. Learn for free in 2025 Rocket. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop destination for all things tech and AI. Today, I've got something super exciting for you: 10 free courses to learn AI in 2025. These courses are led by experts, suitable for all levels, and best of all, completely free. Stick around to find out more, and don't forget, all the links are in the description below. Let's dive in. 1. Introduction to Generative AI. Ever wondered what generative AI is and how you can use it? This course will help you understand its basics and teach you how to develop your own generative AI apps using Google tools. Check the link in the description. 2. Prompt design in Vertex AI. Learn how to craft effective prompts and apply Gemini models to marketing scenarios. Perfect for marketers and creators. Link in the description. 3. Introduction to Duet AI in Google Workspace. Boost your productivity with Duet AI. This course explores its key features and how it can revolutionize your workflow. Link is waiting for you below. 4. Responsible AI. Applying AI principles with Google Cloud. Responsible AI is the future. Learn how to build and apply responsible AI frameworks in your organization. Description has the link. 5. Conversational AI on Vertex AI and Dialogflow CX, Intermediate. Create engaging virtual agents and deploy generative fallback responses for seamless customer interactions. Find it in the description. 6. Create image captioning models, Intermediate. What to build your own image captioning model? This course takes you step by step through the process. Link below. 7. Attention mechanism, Intermediate. Dive deep into how the attention mechanism can enhance machine learning performance. A must for ML enthusiasts. Description has you covered. 8. Encoder-decoder architecture, Intermediate. Understand the backbone of many AI models, the encoder-decoder architecture. Link in the description. 9. Megaliters pipelines with TFX, Advanced. Take your skills to the next level by learning about ML pipelines using TFX components. Find the link below. 10. Google Cloud Solutions 2. Data and Machine Learning, Advanced. Learn how to implement big data solutions and machine learning use cases with Google Cloud. Click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, everyone. Which course are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing AI content. And remember, all the links to these free courses are in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe for more free learning resources. Rocket.